Hello guys, and today I'll be using command to make a folder or a file. Command is like a computer link similar to binary, but not as complicated. It uses human words, and you have to it can make files, folders. It can go put files in folders. So right now all we'll be making is a file. So to get to command like text editor or so, there's not really a text editor. It actually comes with your computer. Any computer, I'm pretty sure it comes with Raspberry Pi, Windows 10, and Mac. So even though we're doing this on Mac, we will do it on Windows in another video. So from your Mac, go to Launchpad. If you don't have Launchpad in your desktop already, check your Finder and go to Applications. So once we get in Launchpad, you might not see this right away. So you can move around with your arrow keys, and you can see there's so many different apps, and there's like one folder. Get in that folder and go to Terminal. Now there's a bunch of other cool stuff, but just go to Terminal. So now that we're in Terminal, it might already have some code already because I've been doing this earlier. So when you get to Terminal, just go down a little. We're gonna do touch in your file name. So let's say we want to make a JavaScript file. We can go b.js and see that there's no syntax here. However, if I did like mb, like on Windows, do windows.html bash md command not found. Okay, that's syntax. And to prove that we actually found b.js, we'll just go into our Finder and b.js. See, now we have a JavaScript file, and it goes to my main text editor, which is VS Code. So this is just for if you don't want to go to VS Code or whatever your text editor is, and actually just make it yourself. You can just go to command, enter a single line of code, and press enter. Bam, it's already there. So on a Windows, it'd be a little different because I guess different language or so. But on Windows, it would be like MD, and I'll just do that in a later video. So that'll be the end of today's video, and I'll see you in the Windows video.